Ooh wee. What's going on, man? That's gonna be hard.
Fazer depois, mano. Faz essa
That's gonna be nice.
Então, mas Sete Petrozelli.
Who?
Sete Petrozelli.
Oh,
He's a former fighter UFC.
yeah. That's gonna be tough. So we're up here right now, Ultimate Raps, creating a legendary rap with my guy. Tell your name. George, my boy George. In the beginning stages of the design right now. Check it out. Yeah. All right, design is done. Design is done. I would show you guys the design, but it's got to be a surprise. Yeah, my boy right here. You already met him. What's your name? Yeah, they haven't met you yet.
I'm Lucas.
Lucas. Yes, Ultimate Raps. I would show y'all the design. It's right here, but y'all can't see it yet because it's a surprise. So just stay tuned for that with Ultimate Raps. All right, so you just seen rap design is complete. Well, what you didn't just see was the rap design is complete. Y'all didn't see the rap. I can't show you that quite yet. It's just know it's gonna be legend to the dairy. And I'm not talking about milk. It's gonna be legendary. Once again, Ultimate Raps is their card. Matter of fact, I'll put the stuff in the link description down below. Check them out. Big business talks are coming soon. Partnerships right here on the table. You know, partnerships going on, all types of stuff. So, and we definitely have to come up with a new name for the car. Right now, the name I have for it is Marilyn Monroe, because it's a pretty white team. So once that rap go on, we definitely gonna have to change up the name. I'm not sure the name yet. We're gonna come up with something very highly legendary.com. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna end it here today with something smooth for y'all.
No slack, no sleep, I don't wanna feel beat. 3M on the whip, ultimately raps me. Let's go. Let's go. Wrap me up, tie me in a bow. Charge a Hellcat, bloody rap is a go. Which way will he go? I don't even know. The black and white on the car looking really tribal. Work it out like Tybo. Yeah, I had to flex it. Every time you wake up in the morning, don't forget to minimize the stress and let go of your fears and start counting up your blessings. Seek answers to your questions. Don't be so absurd. Not even Brimo breaks could stop this lyrical purge. Don't be cowardly, dog. All you need is courage. No, I can't stand the rain. Well, actually, it helps nourish the seeds that I planted, and ultimately they flourish. Take trips out to Dubai to push the limits on yours. By the way, that's Lamborghini. Cook tires like zucchini. Burn out until they're teeny. Toasted like a panini. Or bought like a bikini. Play chess, but you can key me. Can't trap me like Houdini. These donuts are crispy, creamy. Gotta have mama mentality.